Hello guys, welcome to my Sunday reset routine. My name is Miss Kadeu. I'm a stay-at-home mom and a wife. I do content around home and lifestyle. So in this video, you'll get to see me clean my sitting room and my bedroom. Also, I did have someone to help me around. She cleaned the kitchen, the bathroom, and the toilet. I didn't get to shoot that because I have my phone. That is what I used to shoot, and there is no way I could shoot my part and also get to shoot hers because most of the time we did the cleaning kind of at the same time. Yeah, so welcome to the channel. If you enjoy a stay-at-home mom content, doing cleaning, also being with my toddler, kindly subscribe to my channel and support me. So this is how most of my Sundays look like. I just love to get myself together, clean my house, and just get everything in order to have like a easier week ahead. So guys, I'm starting off in my sitting room. This is the before, and in here we were trying to push aside the couch tupate space ya kuoshea carpet because later on tuliosha. We had poured some milk on it and it had this weird smell, so we had like to wash it. And then I removed the cushion covers. Pia zilikuwa na stains. Akina stains. So tulikuwa tunataka kuziosha and later on wiped the couch and wiped down the window and we mopped the floor. I'm not doing anything different than what I normally do on my cleaning videos. So I'm here to motivate you guys to have like a Sunday reset and get yourself together and organized for the new week. For me, as a stay-at-home mom, I love to do this so that I don't get overwhelmed during the week by the house chores. Yeah, so in here, like I had someone to help me around. So we did like most of the things that I wanted to do. I hope you get to enjoy the video. Also, guys, bear with me. I've not yet paid for my music. I can't play music in my videos, but I'm working on that. Very soon, you'll get to have music in my videos. Yeah, so I don't want to do like much talking. I hope you get to enjoy the video. Yeah, and kindly subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Quiet. So guys, when wiping down your TVs, do not use water please. You can either use a wipe or kuna zile spray zinakuanga za kuclean TV. I don't know kama ni spray but you know mnajua chenye namaanisha. So you can either use a wipe and then soft cloth unapitisha juu juu. Na please do not use pressure ukipanguza screen. Tumia tu ka light pressure and then itakuwa safi. Now moving on to my bedroom. I'm starting off by folding my laundry. Lakini msishangae kwani huwa unashindanga tu kukunja manguo. So this is what happens. My day bag normally comes on Fridays. She does the laundry and then on Sunday I fold and organize my closet and my room. So here we folded the laundry, organized the closet, and then I switched my curtains. I rearranged my dressing table and then I mopped the floor. At this point the baby was asleep, so try kufanya vitu haraka haraka ndo by the time anaamka tukue at least we are done ama we are halfway done. Yeah, so ndo hivyo, hakuna vitu mob za kusema. So guys, after all that cleaning, it's time to make dinner. I'm making ugali, liver and spinach. Yeah, so I hope this video motivates you guys to have a Sunday reset routine and just get yourself together and organized for the new week and for your week to be a little bit easier. So I hope you did enjoy the video. Kindly, if you did, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Yeah, and I hope to see you on the next one, guys. Stay safe and have a lovely week.